My name's Chef Egg with Cooking with Egg TV out of Baltimore, Maryland, and I'm going to show you how to make baked squash with zucchini, onions, and feta cheese. For this recipe, we're going to use 2 yellow squash that have been diced, 2 zucchini that have been diced, a half of an onion that's been diced, and 1/3 cup of feta cheese. Now, zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables to cook. It's inexpensive, it's really nutritious, and you can do a ton of things with it. For this recipe, we're going to start it off in a saute pan and then finish it off in the oven to get it golden brown. So the first thing we have to do is put our saute pan onto medium heat. This is going to give it a little bit of color and give us a great start for our recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is take a little olive oil and just cover the bottom of the pan. You just need a little bit. You don't want it too greasy. You can start to see this smoking, and that's how we know that our pan is the right temperature. Next thing we're going to do is toss in our onion, our yellow squash, and our zucchini. After we add the vegetables, we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then simply give this a little toss. And if some vegetables fall out of the pan, it's okay. Just throw it right back in. Now that we've tossed all the vegetables together, we're going to take our feta cheese and spread it right over the top. Nice. Now we're going to throw this in a 425-degree oven for about a half an hour until everything's golden brown. Now I like to start this dish in a saute pan because I can start to get the caramelization of the vegetables going right away. If you don't want to do that process, you can throw everything in a baking dish and throw it right in the oven. All right, we've baked this for about a half an hour. As you can see, the cheese is golden brown and the zucchini is nice and tender. All we're going to do is garnish it with some fresh green herbs, and you are ready to serve. My name's Chef Egg with Cooking with Egg TV out of Baltimore, Maryland, and that's how you make baked squash with zucchini, onions, and feta cheese.